Hello, this is a Spring Boot backend project for an e-commerce application. In this video, I will briefly show the project structure, then demonstrate the API using Postman, and also show email notification triggered by the backend. The project follows a layered backend architecture. Controller handles incoming API request. Service contain the business logic. And the repository interact with the database using JPA. Unit and repository level tests are also implemented to validate functionality. Now let's run this application to test the Post API using Postman. This application is running locally on port 8081. Now let's test the Seller API first. Now let's test another API. To add a product, I'm taking seller ID and a product. Now let's add 2-3 more products so you can later check the place order API. This API is used to add product, and products are added by sellers, and customer can also browse products based on category. Okay, so yeah. Now let's add towards the next API to add a customer. This API register a new customer. Once the customer is successfully created, a registration confirmation email is automatically sent. As you can see, this is the confirmation email sent by the backend after customer registration. Now let's head toward the next API to place an order. So customer with ID 1 is placing an order. First I'm going to check that do I have a product. Okay, I have 3 products with ID 1, 2 and 3. Now let's place an order. This API places an order for customer. The order is linked to the customer and contains multiple order items. After successful order placement, an order confirmation email is triggered and will be sent to the user, the customer. Okay, so this is the response, customer response, order ID, total cost, order status, and list of order items. Bucket, bad, bowl, kit. Okay, and this is the mail. This is the order confirmation email sent after the order is successfully placed. Now let's head toward the next API to add a review for the product. Okay, so now let's add 2-3 reviews. Now let's check the database. This review is given by our customer ID with ID 1 for the product ID 3, and this review is also given by customer with ID 1 for the product ID 2. Now let's check the another API. If someone wants to search review using keywords, so we can use it by using that API. So now let's check another API to add an address. So I'm going to add an address for customer 1. Customer can add review and customer can update their address as well by using put API. Okay, all this API are also documented using Swagger UI. To summarize this e-commerce backend project, it is built using Spring Boot and focuses on clean REST API design, database integration using GPA, email notification, and unit testing. All APIs are tested using Postman and documented using Swagger, making the backend easy to understand and extend. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.